Good afternoon to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
It's good afternoon now.
Good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Who is this Ishi Agarwal?
Ma'am, I am Arika Agarwal. I am changing the name.
Okay, beta. Avika Agarwal. Okay, children, did I discuss with you the social studies project that you're supposed to do on, you have to prepare a project on the state of Punjab. Did I talk about it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, I think I haven't spoken to you about that project because nobody is responding.
No, ma'am.
All right. So today I'm going to tell you about your project work. You have to make a presentation. Everybody, first of all, open your cameras. Only Advika is there and Krishav. Nobody else is there in the class, I suppose. No one is opening the camera. Ritvik. Good. Okay. So what is the project work about? Shaurya, Apurva, Lakshay, Ritvik, Noel, Tanmay, Pratyush. Everyone open your cameras. Yes, we have to prepare a presentation on the state of Punjab. Now, you all know you have studied various states of India, right? We all know about different states. We will prepare a presentation on the state of Punjab. Now, what are the different headings that we are going to cover up in that state? What different things we are going to cover up? Just write it down in a copy. And you have to choose that what you're going to speak on. The different topics are from which you can pick any one and prepare your presentation on. Everybody, I want to see you with your pencils. Just note down the topics that you can prepare your presentation on. The first one is places and monuments. Places and monuments of Punjab. There are many important places we have studied about. There are many historical monuments in the state of Punjab. So you will gather pictures, you will collect pictures,
Places and
monuments. You are going to speak about it and you will show in your presentation. You know how a presentation is made on phone? You collect pictures and one by one the pictures just go. You prepare a small video kind of a thing. That is called a presentation. In that video, you can show it in your hand or you can just you know that screen recorder thing, the screen moves with different pictures, different images, and you speak on in the background. Will you be able to do it? Yes, a kind of slideshow. Like suppose if Krishav chooses places and monuments as his topic.
what you are doing?
Beta, I am explaining you about the project work that has to be done on the state of Punjab. Okay, listen to me very carefully. I'm going to tell you all the topics. First, I'm explaining you how it is to be done. I will be giving you how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different topics. Each child has to choose one topic. And on that topic, you have to prepare a presentation. Now, what you'll do is, suppose your topic is places and monuments. So, first of all, you are going to collect pictures from the internet from
Ma'am, I can't hear your voice. Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
my signals not good today?
No, ma'am, it's good.
Is it
Ma'am,
fine?
it is good.
Okay, Lakshya, then
Yes,
there must be some problem at your end, beta.
Yes,
Other
ma'am.
children are saying my signals are fine. Now listen, you will collect pictures on a particular topic. If suppose we are speaking on the monuments of Punjab. Now there are various historical monuments. When you will search on net, you will get to see different historical monuments. Then there are important places of Punjab. Like for example, the Golden Temple is an important is a very big Gurdwara that is located in Punjab. Then we have Jallianwala Bagh, that is also in the state of Punjab. Like this, there are various other things that will fall in this state, but you have to do a proper research on net. You all know how to Google on your phones, right? You
Ma'am,
all
can
know
we
how
take
to
out
take.
photocopy also?
Wait, better no photocopy. Why photocopy? It is not. The project is not to be done in a hard copy. It has to be done in a soft copy. It has to be in your phone only. You don't have to take out printout of anything. All you have to do is you have to take screenshots of various important things. You have to take screenshots of the pictures of the topic you have chosen. Now suppose I was telling your topic is places and monuments, then you will collect various pictures of places and monuments of Punjab. Then you are going to speak a few lines on those important places that you have chosen. What is the significance of those places? Your video has to be from 1 minute to 1 minute 20 seconds, not longer than this and not short than 1 minute. Okay? Minimum 1 minute, maximum 1 minute 20 seconds. And you have to give your introduction. I am Advika Gupta from class 4th A. I will be speaking on the food of Punjab. And then various pictures of food. If suppose Advika chooses on food, you have to create a little slideshow kind of a thing. I'm going to tell you on which app you will be able to do it. There is a video app, which helps you to make videos. You can put your screenshots, you can put your own video, you can combine your screenshots and yes.
Ma'am, what is the name of the app?
I will tell you, beta, I will tell you everything in detail. Okay. Right now, I was just telling you, I was just briefing you with the project work, how this project work has to be done. I hope you all have understood how it is to be done. But children, for sure, you have to take the help of your parents. Okay. Today of this class, the recording of this class, you are going to show to your parents. They will understand how it is to be done because I have explained it very well how you are supposed to do this project work. Now just write down the topics that will be included, that you will be including in the project. The first was places and monuments. The second topic is food and languages. Food and languages of Punjab. The third topic is culture.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
The first one was places and monuments. Second, food and language. Avika Agarwal, why are you not writing? Both your hands are busy fiddling something. The third topic is the rich culture of Punjab. The fourth one is costumes of Punjab.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Then the costume of Punjab.
Places and monuments, number 1. Food and language was number 2. Rich culture, number 3. Number 4 is the costumes of Punjab. And number 5 is the festivals celebrated in Punjab.
Project work.
Yes, I'm talking about the project work which you have to do. And those your friends who are not in the class today, please tell them also, convey the message to watch today's video, the recording of today's class later after the school. Yes?
And what is the sixth? Ma'am, what we have to do?
Who is asking this? What we have to do?
I'm Karthik.
Now, Karthik, after the class, after the school gets over, you have to see the recording. I can't explain so many times. Learn to attend the class on time.
मैम
Yes.
मैम इन सारे पॉइंट में से हमें एक ही पॉइंट पे बोलना है ना?
Yes, yes, beta, yes. You have to speak. You have to choose any one topic. And the last topic is traditions and religions. Tradition and religion. Yes? What, beta?
Ma'am, you will choose the child that who will speak on SST.
No, SST? What is SST?
I'm social studies.
Beta, you don't have to speak on social studies. You have to speak on any one of the following topics that I have just made you write.
You will choose the child to speak
No.
the following topic.
No, beta, you can choose your own topic. If you are interested in the costumes, you can choose costumes as your topic. If you are interested in food and languages, you can choose that.
मैम पायलम सेड कि आप सोशल पे या साइंस या हिंदी या इंग्लिश पे लिखना है।
देखो बच्चों, मेरी बात सुनो। आप लोगों को क्या करना है, ये जो आपका सोशल स्टडीज प्रोजेक्ट है, ये आप लोगों को कोई भी एक टॉपिक उठा के प्रिपेयर करना है। नाउ सपोज यू हैव चोजन द टॉपिक फूड एंड लैंग्वेजेस, ठीक है? अब हम इस टॉपिक को हम लैंग्वेज से कैसे रिलेट कर सकते हैं? लाइक पंजाबी इज द मेन लैंग्वेज दैट इज स्पोकन इन पंजाब. What you can do is you can speak a little Punjabi. You can give your presentation in Punjabi language. Yes, that will be language. You beta wait, let me finish. First I'll finish, then you'll talk. Okay, you can add on a little Punjabi in your presentation. Then if you are taking food, now food can be related to science also, like the crops that are grown, the nutritional value of the food items, various food items. Suppose now we talk about sarson ka saag and makke ki roti, that is the chief food of Punjab. तो सरसों का साग एंड मक्के की रोटी में कोई तो न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू होगी, डेफिनेटली होगी ना. इट इज गुड फॉर हेल्थ. Makka, maize is good for health. And then this green vegetable, sarson ka saag is what? Green vegetable. So you can talk about the nutritional value of that thing. Then you can talk about other crops that are grown in Punjab. So we will relate our social studies project with other subjects also. Our social studies, this is the project of social studies, right? Now this social studies project can be related to, we can make a correlation with other subjects as well. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Listen, sorry, one more thing, Noel, before I forget. You can also add on a little, like for this thing, for English, to include English subject in our project. What we can do is we can add on a little drama that takes place, the folk tales of Punjab, right? You can talk about, or you can add on a little presentation. Anyone can do. When you are talking about the costume, anyone can dress up in that costume. And I would really want, if you are giving your presentation on the state of Punjab, you should dress up in a traditional dress of Punjab and then speak your lines on it. Okay? Now what will that thing do? You will win. I will form groups. Each group will have 6 students speaking on every different topic. Okay, so that group there, it will be a competition in your groups. So if you want your group
Okay,
to
ma'am.
win, you have to give your presentation in the best possible way you can. Fine?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Noel, now ask.
Ma'am, if more than one student have choose the same topic, then what
Then
will
I
we
will
do?
then I will put you in different groups. Okay,
Ma'am, means
means how many students are there in the class? There are around 30 students in your class. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
now there are 6 topics. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So there can be 5 groups in all. 6 into 5 is 30. Suppose Noel chooses to speak on food and Ritvik Arora also chooses to speak on food. So Noel and Ritvik can be in 2 different groups. If Pratishtha and Advika both choose to speak on the costumes of Punjab, I will put them in different groups. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
From each class, there will be 4 to 5 groups giving this presentation. Okay? Now you have to tell me what your topic will be. Let's
Ma'am,
talk
that
about.
video I have made,
Ma'am,
that was wrong.
No, beta, it is right, but actually my phone was formatted. Shreyansh Patel, let me just check if I still have your presentation with me.
Ma'am, I can again
Shreyansh
send it.
Patel. Ma'am, now it is correct. Yes, yes, it was very nice. But beta, listen.
ma'am,
Let me just see. Today I will tell you about the Punjab music actors. Okay. Now we have not, Shreyansh, you have to do a little bit effort, beta. No doubt your presentation was very good, but we have not included anything of Bollywood. Your presentation, you got the idea absolutely correct that how the presentation has to be made. Okay. But now I have given you these different topics. So you have to choose any one topic and speak on that. Okay, now you chose music as your topic, so you can relate this music with what traditions, the traditional
excuse me,
music,
ma'am.
the modern music, the traditions, and different traditions also you can uh, include in your presentation.
Ma'am, can I tell you the topic which I choose?
Wait, I will note down everybody's topic. I have noted from 4th B and 4th C. Now it's your turn. Today I'll do it and everybody will type in the chat box. Okay, don't tell me like that. Type in the chat box so that I'll be able to make your groups also. And Shreyansh, one more thing, beta, in your presentation, you are not there in your presentation. So when you have done such a hard work, you must show your face also, right? I am Shreyansh Patel from class 4th and I am going to speak on this, or I'm going to show you my presentation on this. And I would really suggest you children, when you're speaking on Punjab, try to include Punjabi language in your presentation so that it looks very nice. Try to dress up in a Punjabi costume. Fine? Got it? I'm sure you all will do it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Noel.
Ma'am, if I choose the topic food and language, so I have to show the food.
You have to tell about the food. You can show pictures in your presentation about that food item. I'm going to share a video with you on the class group. On your shall I share it right now? Just watch that video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And take a little idea how your presentation has to be.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in which day we
Children,
will
I
have
have
to
shared. You
submit?
can watch that video. Watch it right now. You'll really understand how it is to be done.
I'm in the WhatsApp group. You are sharing it.
I have shared on your class group. That is on the state of Sikkim.
Ma'am, I was disconnected. Ma'am,
Ma'am saw the video.
Watched
ma'am,
it, children? Watched it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you
ma'am,
understood?
I am watching. Ma'am, I,
Ma'am, we are watching.
Yes, watch it.
ma'am, I disconnected.
Ma'am, I have watched it.
Now you
Ma'am,
understand
I have to.
how nicely the boy is dressed up in a Sikkim costume and he is speaking on what? He is just giving the introduction of Sikkim.
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly, he has included himself also in the presentation. He has included the pictures also. He has made a proper video of 51 seconds. So similarly, you can do it. Your video should not exceed like, let's say 1.5 minutes. Maximum, you can go up to 1.5 minutes, but don't make your introduction so long that the presentation will miss important things. It should include all important things. You should cover up. Now, when you are talking about support, okay, children, have you chosen your topics? Have you thought of what topic you'll speak on? Okay, start writing in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
chat box. Let me just put down.
Please tell the app's name.
I will tell you the app name. Just wait. First, tell me which topic are you going to speak on. Let me make your groups. And this work has to be done by 26th of December. Today is 23rd. Okay, start working on it from today.
I'm after Christmas.
Yes, on 26th, you have to show it. And you will send it to me on my personal number. Don't share your video with anybody else.
Ma'am, please tell the app.
You will download the app right now, beta?
Ma'am, we have to send the topic you personally in chat box.
Send it to me. Now, Noel says that he will be speaking on food. Okay, I will put Noel's name on food and language. Fine. Then who else is speaking on what? Apurva and Shaurya also. No, Apurva, your topic should be different, and Shaurya, your topic should be different. Okay, food, Apurva. Very nice. And Shaurya, what will you be speaking on? Advika, now there are already 2 children in food. Pratishtha, there are already 2 children in food and language. Advika and Pratishtha and Advika, choose something else, beta. Hurry up and choose your topics before they get booked.
Ma'am, I is custom.
Wait, Lakshay is speaking on costume. Yes?
Also costume.
Okay, Krishav on costume. Costume is also gone. Then language and music, Shaurya.
Ma'am, I am food.
Music, no beta, Shaurya. Beta, you take festivals as your topic. Festival and languages.
Okay, ma'am.
Adeshika, dance is no topic, beta. Did you see?
Ma'am,
Dance and culture. Adeshika, make your topic dance and culture. Okay? Relate it with culture so that you can include, you can
I
put your
want
dance.
food.
Karthik, I already told food has been booked by Noel and Apurva. Then Pratishtha takes places and monuments, and Advika Gupta also is taking places and monument. Very good. Advika and Pratishtha. Wait. Now we are still left with festival, tradition, and religion. Who is taking festival? Festival is such a nice thing. You can speak on Lori, you can speak on Baisakhi, you can speak on different things that are celebrated in Punjab.
Ma'am,
Yes. Karthik is
Ma'am,
speaking
I
on festival.
take
Very good. Karthik. Yes?
Ma'am, I want festival.
ma'am,
Karthik.
I also.
Okay, Ritvik has given his name on festival. So Ritvik and Karthik are speaking on festivals. Anybody else? Have I missed anyone's name? Shreyansh Patel,
Ma'am,
what
I also.
on? Shaurya, you're also speaking on festivals?
Yes, ma'am. Festivals and music.
All right. Shaurya, festival and music. Very
निया
good.
ना अभी
Then
ना
Adeshika. Adeshika, I had written your name in culture. No, beta, you can't include rivers in culture. You can speak, Adeshika, you can add religion. The religion that is followed. People go and worship at what places. You can show a picture. You can share a few pictures of the places people go and worship. Majorly, which religion is followed. Okay. So
Okay.
I'm writing on Adeshika that she is speaking on culture and religion. Okay. Traditions of Punjab. Tradition will come under culture only, culture and religion. Which student? Tanmay, Avika, Pratishtha. Pratishtha, have you given your name? Yes. Noel has also given.
ma'am.
Now, students who have not given their names, beta, please tell. Language and festival, Shaurya. Shaurya, I have already written your name. Music and festival and language.
Music not. Language and festival.
Language and festival. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Can't you sit properly?
Language and festival. Any other student who wants to speak on the culture of Punjab? See, this culture has got really, it has a wide range. You can include a lot, many things. And also the traditional, now with traditions, you can add on the traditional things of Punjab. Now, what are the traditional things? The embroidery. You can talk about the embroidery. You can talk about the fabric that is used there. You can show so many things on Fulkari work. Right? You can add on traditional things also. Traditional things now, Parandi. Parandi is so much used by the females of Punjab in the village side. There are so many things, children. When you start working on the project, I'm sure you will take a lot of interest. You will like to do it. Now just note down the app in which you will make this presentation. The app's name is Vlogit. Vlogit.
Ma'am, please tell again.
Ma'am,
V.
spelling please tell.
Beta V. I'll type it in the chat box. Vlogit.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have made the presentation first time that I was talking.
Yes.
You have tell me it is very long.
Yes, beta. See, where is my phone? Yes. It was actually very
Ma'am,
long.
we can presentation in laptop also.
Yes. Make it anywhere, wherever you want to make, but you have to show it. You have to send it on your class group, or you will send it to me so that I can club it. I will merge your presentations. Suppose Krishav, Shreyansh, Adeshika and Advika are in one group. They will send me their individual presentations. Now it is my job to merge your presentations and make it as one. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Do you understand? So you have to send me your presentations personally. But your presentation should be such that if you start to speak on food and language, you should start it with your introduction and end it like it doesn't look like an abrupt ending. It should have complete information and it should have a good ending. Fine?
Ma'am, how long we
1 minute 30 seconds. 1 minute 30 seconds.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to make a video.
Yes, you have to make a video. Now, beta, see, Shreyansh, what you did was you took screenshots, you made them into a presentation. You put your screenshots, whatever you had done, in a video. But what mistake you did, beta? You did not crop the screenshots. Now, as it is, you took the screenshot, the battery, the time of your clock, everything was showing, right? So whenever we make these kind of presentations, it should not be there. People can read that you are using 5G phone. People can read that you are what was the time when you made this video. Okay, so this should not be there. When you are taking screenshots, please try to crop the screenshots and then add in your presentation. Is it fine? This is for every child in the class. Any other query?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
No,
No, ma'am.
We have to make a chart also.
No, nothing. Everything has to be in your phone. You
Okay,
do not have to do anything, like no hard copy has to be made. The things in your phones and laptops, presentations are called soft copy. And these books, copies, posters, cards are called hard copies. So this presentation is a soft copy. It will be a soft copy. Fine?
Okay.
You just have to take screenshots. You just have to merge those screenshots, put it in a video. You just have to take help of your family members to make a little video of you. You can hold something in your hand if you want. If you want to make a chart paper, what you will do is you will hold a chart paper in your hand and telling that what you have drawn on the chart paper. If suppose you are talking about some food items or the costumes or anything, it should be clear enough in your video that what you have made in your chart paper and what you are talking about. Fine? And please try to use the the regional language. Try to make your presentation in Punjabi. No doubt you can do it in English also, but try to include Punjabi language in your presentation. Any other query?
No, ma'am.
No? That's all for today. Now everybody will, in your free time after the school today, everybody will try to use Vlogit app. You will see how it is done. In Vlogit app, you have this option of choosing images from your library. So in your library means from your phone. When you will take screenshot, the pictures will go in a different folder in screenshots. Do you have a different folder of screenshot in your phones?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes,
The pictures will go in the screenshot folder. Then when you will choose in Vlogit, you will choose from the library. You can go to the screenshot. You can select as many pictures as you want. Then Vlogit app, there only on the top, it has got many options, videos, photos, and whatever. Then if you want to add your video, you can go to the videos option and the video you have made, you have spoken, whatever you have spoken about on Punjab, you can add that video. And you can also do this thing while you are showing the pictures of Punjab. You can add your sound at the back. Suppose you are talking about makki ki roti sarson ka saag. So the picture of makki ki roti sarson ka saag is going, and in the background, your sound is there that this is the chief food of Punjab. Let's see makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. Then the next image comes. People also love to eat parathas with white butter and lassi. Then you can show different varieties of parathas with white butter. Then you can show lassi also. Now lassi also can be classified into two groups, meethi lassi and chach, isn't it? You can include pictures. Then you can include, you can talk about the crops that are grown in Punjab. You can add on a few pictures of fields, showing the fields of Punjab where various crops grow. You can show sarson ke khet. Have you seen in pictures? Have you seen the images of sarson ke khet? The fields where this sarson grows?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You can show that in your presentation. You can show more things like sugarcane and all. Sugarcane also grows there in Punjab. And how do Like the
Girl section.
you can show a little village life. What do the village people eat? Okay, like that. And also you can include a little non-veg because people are very fond of non-veg in Punjab. So these kind of things, and you can keep speaking at the back. Whenever a new image comes, then you can add on your dialogue. But children, you have to take a little help of your parents in this while making this presentation. Okay. So that's all. Anything else you want to know?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you make the group or we have to make the group?
You have to make your individual presentation. I will merge it and you will.
I have taken 2 hours to make it.
Beta, good that you have taken, but sit patiently and devote yourself totally into this project work. I'm sure you will be able to do it in a very nice way. Okay, it should look very nice, creative, and actually the teachers and principals, sir, of our school should be really amazed to see your work. It should give a wow feeling to everyone. Okay. So let's end the class here since no time is left. Any other query, children?
Ma'am, 3 minutes are left.
Bye, ma'am.
No, 3 minutes. Only less than 2 minutes are left. The class gets over at 1. Yes, any other query?
No,
All-
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, children, now see you in the next class. Bye and have a good day.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.